DJ Stevie the finest.
Hey, welcome to DJ Stevie's channel, and if this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Just you'll be notified when I drop a new video. And now I'll be showing you how to set DNA scratches to scratch like a professional, as I did in the beginning of this video. Now this setting doesn't matter even if you change your skin of virtual DJ, you can still get it at the stem pad's location. Here you can still get it here. Yeah, so to set up the DNA scratches, you'll have to come to this small arrow and drop down this list, and you'll be seeing many options here, but for our case, select the scratch option. Now come and right click on this first pad with the name baby scratch. Then you'll be seeing this small window where you can edit the DNA. So come and change this with these letters: capital C, capital A, capital D, capital A, and then full stop to separate the scratch, E, capital E, capital A, capital E, capital A. Now save it to pad 1, the baby scratch pad, then close the window, and this is how it should sound. Yeah, for the second one, right click on it, then come down here, highlight it or double click in that box, then change it with these letters: capital D, capital A, capital D, capital A, full stop, capital E. Now this time it's small a, then capital D, capital A. Save it to part 2. You have to click save to part 2 so that this small window comes in, and then you click OK. Close it. Now this is how it should sound. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. For the third one, right click on it, then come and change these letters to these letters here: capital E, small a, capital E, small a, capital E, small a, 3 times. Then full stop, capital C, capital A, capital C, small a, capital D, small a, capital C, small a. Yeah, save it to part 3, hit OK, close this window, and this is how it should sound. Yeah, that's it for the third one. Then lastly, for the fourth one, this is how you should change the letters: capital D, capital E, capital B, small a, capital D, small e, capital B, small a, full stop, then capital C, capital A, capital C, small a, capital D, small a, capital C, small a. That is for the last part 4 in this tutorial. Save it to part 4. As you can see, the name is backspin. Hit OK, but it will not backspin your song, it will rather scratch it. Yeah, close this window. Now this is how the last one sounds. Now let us scratch them together and see how it will move with the music. And that's it for the tutorial of DNA scratches. Now if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. So guys, see you in the next video.